Hi, Happiitude. So I am just on a horse, and I wanted to share with you just a minute. I'm with a group of clients and my pup. What was Happiitude for me? I'm just really grateful. I've been through many trainings and that have worked deep with different beliefs and value systems. What I loved about Happiitude was it really gave me tools to address large groups of people. Mostly, I had to first address myself, and I really appreciated the activities as we began with the I and the activities. It was really neat to look at my vulnerabilities, and Happiitude began with showing up for your vulnerabilities and where you're vulnerable. What are you holding back? What's in your pocket that you don't really think the world sees? What's wonderful is as you embrace that, you really see that is your strength. What I love most, and what one of the tools that I learned was that as we go through life and we really appreciate all of our experiences, all of our emotions, all of our life experiences, it gives us a reality check of who we are today because of all of the events that happened. I really appreciate it as well is that embracing Happiitude as a organic, sustainable way of life. And that would be understanding that we're made perfectly, that we have everything that we need, that everything is within us, and we're able to source that from our source, and we can give thanks and have a grateful heart. So having a grateful heart, we don't have to fear about tomorrow. We don't have to think about what happens or what will be or what isn't. We can just be in the now, in the present. And Happiitude gives tools and resources to address you living in the now, living in the present. I am grateful for that. I'm grateful for my Happiitude family, and I plan to continue using all the resources and all the gifts that I've learned through Happiitude to incorporate it into my personal training, in my working with horses, with people, and working with companies and corporations and my private clients. I really appreciate that we can use all things together, and we can horses will be horses. We can use all things together to for our good, and that all things do work together for our good. So thank you, Happiitude, and thank you for all our tools. I'm grateful. I look forward to continuing working with you and working with Happiitude and all of my skills that I've gotten. Specifically, my communication, just being able to be a little bit more laser, even on a horse, and being able to address the challenge and see it as a gift. So thank you, Happiitude.